Dear students, we are in Eamcet Mathematics and we have finished the last class 1B. Okay, now we go for 2A. This chapter is quadratic expressions. Okay, see, first question what they have given for quadratic expression. Eamcet 1990 question. If alpha, beta are the square roots of x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0, then alpha to the power of 5 plus beta to the power of 5 is how much, like they are asking. Okay. See, we can solve this by De Moivre's theorem also. Already we have seen De Moivre's theorem. That also we can see. Let us proceed first. Why? Because see, by factorization method we are unable to do. 1 into 4 is 4, but minus 2 will not come. Okay, factorization method. Minus 2 with anything. 2 into 2 or what we can say 4. 1 into 4 are not going to give minus 2. That is why you have to go for minus b plus or minus square root of b square discriminant method. See, x is equal to minus b, minus of minus, plus 2 plus or minus square root of b square minus 2 square, 4 minus 4 ac, a is 1 and c is 4. Okay, by 2a, 2 into 1, that equals to, see, plus means you write only 2 plus or minus, you see 4 minus 16 minus 12, but under square root divided by 2, that is equal to, you take 4 outside. Why? Because 4 into 3. Okay, 4 if it goes outside means it is going to become 2 root minus 3 divided by 2. Again 2 also you can take out. Why I am taking 2? I am going to explain you. Numerator 2 I am taking out, then 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Is it okay? If we send 2, automatically 2 plus or minus 2 root 3, I will be there. Okay, see, why I have written like this means, see, this you can convert to De Moivre's theorem easily. 1 by 2 means, see, cos 60 degree, root 3 by 2 means sine 60 degree. Okay, like that. But minus means what we are going to do? Let me see. Now, see what I am writing now. See, x is equal to means 2 roots are there, quadratic equation. Shall I write like this? Let alpha is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2, comma, beta is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. Shall I write like this? Why? Plus or minus alpha beta. Okay? Like that. 2 I have taken common. 2 if you send inside, automatically it is going to become 1 and root 3. But 1 and root 3 you are unable to do De Moivre's theorem. That for sake of De Moivre's theorem I have written like this. Okay. Now see, what is this De Moivre's theorem equivalent? What will be the De Moivre's theorem equivalent? See what I am writing. Alpha is equal to 2, you keep outside like this only. You see, this is cos 60. Cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Is it okay? Yes, definitely. Then beta also you write down. Beta is equal to 2. See here both are positive. Pi by 6, pi by 6. Okay? Positive, that is why okay. But here you see, one is positive, another one is negative. Sign will be negative. Where it comes? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, cos 60 means sine what will be? Minus 60. That means 360 minus 60. 300. Okay? Let me write. That means see, 300 means how we are going to write? See, 2 pi is 360 minus pi by 3. 6 pi minus 5. 5 pi by 3. Okay. Cos 5 pi by 3 plus I sin 5 pi by 3. Is it okay? Yes, definitely okay. Okay, yeah. Now see, in front of you alpha and beta are there. Alpha and beta are there. 2 I have taken common. Don't forget. Okay. Now you see, what they are asking in the question, you see alpha to the power of 5, beta to the power of 5, how to find. You see, one by one we find. Why? Because the alpha to the power of 5 first we will find, we will keep aside. Afterwards, beta to the power of 5 also we will find. And afterwards, we will add both. Then that will be your answer. Okay. Let me find first alpha to the power of 5. Alpha to the power of 5 is equal to, you see, 2 to the power of 5 into cos 5 pi by 3. Directly I am writing. Why? Because de Moivre's theorem means directly you can multiplicate this. Sin 5 pi by 3. Okay, yeah. That is equal to, you see, 2 5 by 3, 2 power 5 means 32 will be there. Okay. 5 pi by 3 means what? 5 pi by 3 means this only. Same like earlier. That means this means what will come? This will come. Why? Because see, both are same, na? This and this same. Cos of, see, don't see 2. This I am telling inside. That means de Moivre's this one. That means CIS theta. CIS theta. Okay. 300 degree. Cos 300, sin 300 means this only will come. That means see what I am writing. 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. Now, this 2 also you take out. 16 will be there. 1 minus I root 3 will be there. This will be final like you think. Why? Because alpha to the power of 5 is this one. Okay, over. Now go for beta to the power of 5. Here little bit complexity. Not much, but little complexity you have to face. Okay. Let us do beta to the power of 5 is equal to, you see, 2 to the power of 5 cos 25 pi by 3. 25 pi by 3 plus I sin 25 pi by 3. How this 25 has become? Because 5 into 5, 25. Okay? 25 pi by 3 means, see, 25 pi by 3. How much it will come? 1500 degree? 180 into 25. Sorry, 25 pi means 25 into 60. 25 into 60. 0, 625s are 150. 1500 degrees. Cos 1500 plus I sin 1500 degrees. You see what I want to say? Here I want to say 360 will be there. Afterwards 720 will be there. 360 plus 360, 720. Plus 360 again. You see 0, 8, 1080 will be there. Again you add 360. 14. 1440 will be there. That means you require 1500. That means see 1440 plus 60. First quadrant, all are positive. Write down. 2 power 5 means 32. 60 degree. 60. That means see cos 60 degree plus I sin 60 degree. You understand now this logic? Okay. Okay, what will be the answer then? You see, cos 60 means again 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 16 will come outside. Okay, 1 will come here, but plus is there. Okay, plus you write. I sin 60 means root 3 by 2, but 2 you have multiplied, divided 16. That is here also root 3 will come. That's all. You understand this logic? Okay. Now you see beta to the power of 5 is this one, alpha to the power of 5 is this one. Then you add both as per your question. Let us add alpha to the power of 5 plus beta to the power of 5 is equal to 16. Okay, write down 16 minus I 16 root 3. 16 I have sent inside. Why? Because I am adding. Plus 16 plus 16I root 3. Okay, you see, minus I 16 root 3 plus I 16 root 3. 32 will be your answer. Okay, take this. We will go for second question. Okay, see second question. If the roots of quadratic equation h square plus px plus q equal to 0 are tan 30 degree and tan 15 degree respectively, okay, then the value of 2 plus q minus p is like they are asking. Okay, p is there, q is there. These values you have to find. 2 you know very well. 2 is 2. That's all. Standard. We can say constant. How to find this? Okay, we know very well that quadratic equation roots are alpha, beta. Quadratic equation means two roots, alpha, beta, and alpha plus beta alpha minus beta are there. Okay, see what I am writing. Let alpha is equal to tan 30 degree. Why? Because two roots they are telling, na? Roots. One is alpha, another one is this one. Okay, alpha is equal to tan 30 degree and beta is equal to tan 15 degree. But you see, alpha you can find easily. Tan 30 means alpha is equal to 1 by root 3. But what about beta? Beta you cannot find easily. Why? Because you have to do this one. Okay, see, beta is equal to tan of 45 minus 30 degree. Okay, tan A minus tan B by tan A plus 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, see, tan A minus tan B means see, tan 45 minus tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. Okay, 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3. Why? Because tan 45 is 1. Okay. Alpha you are having, but beta, what we can say, see, beta is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Divided by root 3 divided by root 3 got cancelled like you think. Okay, see, you have got alpha and beta. Okay, but these values, okay, but alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta also you should do it. Let us do it. You see, this is the equation. Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That implies here what is minus b? Minus p by a means what? 1. That is equal to minus p. Alpha plus beta. But alpha plus beta you are having both. Write down. Alpha plus beta implies 1 by root 3 plus beta root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, that is equal to, okay, see, root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 into root 3, 3 minus root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, 3 plus root 3 into 1 root 3. See, plus root 3 minus root 3 going to get cancelled. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 3 plus root 3. Okay, what is this? This is alpha plus beta. Now go for alpha into beta also. Okay, let us do it. Alpha into beta is equal to C by A. But here C is what? Q divided by A is how much? 1. That means see, alpha into beta is equal to Q implies alpha into beta means this you multiply. Alpha is 1 by root 3 into beta is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay, directly multiply. Numerator is root 3 minus 1 only, but denominator is root 3 into root 3 3 plus root 3 into 1 root 3 3 plus root 3. Okay, now see, alpha plus beta, alpha into beta you are having, but alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, what are these? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus p. Alpha plus beta. That means this is equal to minus p I am writing. Why? Because alpha plus beta is minus p. Alpha into beta is equal to q. That means this is equal to q. Okay. Now go back. What they asked? They asked 2 plus q minus p. Write down. 2 plus q minus p is equal to 2 is 2 only plus q is how much? Q is this one. Root 3 minus 1 by 3 plus root 3 minus p. Minus p directly is there. Write down directly. That means plus you have to write 4 by 3 plus root 3. That is equal to. You see, temporarily hold this, but this see, two denominators are same like LCM. Okay. 4 minus 1. 3. 3 plus root 3. By denominator also 3 plus root 3. Now this is plus only, you can write here also. Okay. See, 3 by 3 plus root 3, 3 plus root 3 going to get cancelled. That is equal to, cancellation means here is division cancellation is gives 1. Addition cancellation gives 0. Okay, that means 2 plus 1 that is equal to 3. This is the answer for this question. Okay, let us go for third question. Okay, see question number 3. If alpha beta are the roots of equation x square plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0, then what is the value of this one? Alpha by 2 plus 5 alpha whole square plus beta by 2 plus 5 alpha whole square is equal to how much, like they are asking. Okay. Let us go back to that equation. You see that equation is a quadratic equation, means roots are two roots. So alpha and beta are the roots. Okay. See what I am writing? Let alpha and beta are the roots. Like I am not writing that much. Why? Because this is Eamcet. We will reduce the steps. What I want to write, you see, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a means minus 5 by 1 or minus 5. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. That means 2 by 1. That is equal to 2. Okay. See here, we confirm that alpha and beta are the roots for this equation. Alpha one time, beta one time, can we substitute? Definitely we can substitute. See, at alpha implies, you see equation what is going to become? Alpha square plus 5 alpha plus 2 equal to 0. Why I have written? You see here, 2 plus 5 alpha or 5 alpha plus 2 is there. 5 alpha plus 2 is equal to how much it is going to become? Or 2 plus 5 alpha is equal to minus alpha square it is going to become. Okay? Okay, now go back again. See, at beta, if you substitute beta, then beta square plus 5 beta plus 2 equal to 0. Or else, here also see 2 plus 5 beta is there. 2 plus 5 beta is equivalent to minus beta square. Okay? Yeah. Now go back here. You see what I am writing now. Alpha divided by 2 plus 5 alpha whole square plus beta divided by 2 plus 5 beta whole square is equal to, see, alpha divided by 2 plus 5 alpha means shall I write minus alpha square? Okay? But whole square plus beta divided by 2 plus 5 beta means shall I write minus beta square whole square, that is equal to, you see, before squaring first you cancel out this term. Okay? See, minus 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta whole square will be there. Minus 1 by alpha whole square plus minus 1 by beta whole square is there. Okay? Yeah. See, even though minus 1, but squaring will give positive only. That means, see, 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. What is this? Alpha square plus beta square by alpha square into beta square. Okay? Yeah. Go back. Alpha square plus beta square means what I want to write. You see, alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. But here 2 alpha beta is not there. That is why what I have to write? Here we have to write minus 2 alpha beta. If you send here 2 alpha beta, it is equal to become this way. What about this? This you directly write like this. Alpha beta whole square. Okay? Yeah. Now go back. You see, alpha plus beta value you are having minus 5. Minus 5 whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta also 2. Divided by alpha into beta is 2 square. Okay? Yeah. Come back again. See, minus 5 square means 25. Minus 4 divided by 2 square means 4. 21 by 4 will be your answer. Okay, 25 minus 4 is 21. 21 by 4 will be your answer. Let us go for fourth question. Okay, see question number 4. Little bit what we can say. Not easy, little bit tricky question. Eamcet 2019 question. If alpha 1 and alpha 2 are the roots of this equation, and alpha 3 and alpha 4 are the square roots of these two equations, roots of this equation. Okay? Quadratic equation 2 roots, quadratic equation 2 roots. Then they are asking, see, these roots directly they are not giving. See, alpha 1 plus alpha 2 means directly can find, but alpha 1 plus alpha 3 they are asking. Alpha 2 plus alpha 3 they are asking. Alpha 1 plus alpha 4 they are asking. Like that they are multiplication they are asking. Okay, little bit tricky. Unless you observe carefully, you are unable to do this question. See how I am proceeding this. First you see alpha 1 and alpha 2 are roots means what I want to write here. You see, based on this equation, shall I write like this? Why? Because see, alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is equal to minus b by a. That means see here b means what? A minus a. Okay, why? Because 1. Okay, then you see alpha 1 into alpha 2, c by a. C is here 1, 1 by 1 is 1. Okay, put comma. Go back again here, second one. You see alpha 3, alpha 4. That means alpha 3 plus alpha 4 is equal to minus b by a. Here b means b only. Minus b by 1 or minus b. Let it be. Then alpha 3 into alpha 4, c by a. 1 by 1, 1. Okay, if you observe carefully, see alpha 1 into alpha 2 also 1, alpha 3 into alpha 4 also 1. But alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is minus a, alpha 3 plus alpha 4 is minus b. Okay. Now, see, as we have done earlier, two roots are there, means you shall we substitute to root one root one time and another root another time. Definitely we can do it. You see what I am writing? Alpha 1 square plus a into alpha 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Is it correct? Definitely. Why? Because the alpha 1 is a one root for this equation. In this equation, alpha 1 you can substitute. Okay. And another one. Alpha 2 also you can substitute. Substitute alpha 2 square plus a into alpha 2 plus 1 equal to 0. This also you can do. Yes, definitely I can do. Okay. Now, see, like this, can we do alpha 3, alpha 4 also? Definitely we can do. Then let us do it in second equation. Alpha 3 square plus b into alpha 3 plus 1 equal to 0, comma, alpha 4 square plus b into alpha 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. See, here all we have written. Now we have to utilize here. Okay. See what I am doing now. Anyway, these are multiplication. Alpha 1 plus alpha 3, again alpha 1 plus alpha 4. Shall I bring here? Multiplication, there is no bar. Let us bring it. You see what I am writing? Alpha 1 plus alpha 3 into alpha 1 plus alpha 4. Again you write this one. Alpha 2 plus alpha 3 into alpha 2 plus alpha 4 is equal to. Okay? There is a purpose. Why? Because we know alpha 3 plus alpha 4, alpha 1 plus alpha 2. See how I am getting? You multiply first. Alpha 1 square plus alpha 1 alpha 4 plus alpha 3 alpha 1 or alpha 1 alpha 3. Shall I write? Alpha 1 alpha 3 plus alpha 3 alpha 4. Alpha 3 alpha 4. Okay? Put separate bracket. Okay, now you do this one. Alpha 2 square plus alpha 2 alpha 4 plus alpha 2 alpha 3 plus alpha 3 alpha 4. Okay, that is equal to. See, equal to I am writing. Okay, now see what I want to tell you. Alpha 1 here common is there. Alpha 3 plus alpha 4 will come. Alpha 3 plus alpha 4 value you are having. Alpha 3 into alpha 4 value also you are having. Okay, shall I substitute? Yes, definitely. Okay, what I am writing you see. Alpha 1 square plus alpha 1 if I take common. Alpha 3 plus alpha 4 it is going to become plus alpha 3 into alpha 1 is 1. Okay. See, now inside already parenthesis has come. That is why I am putting bracket. Okay. Same here also you do it. Alpha 2 square you, okay. Alpha 2 take common. Alpha 3 plus alpha 4 you write. Plus alpha 3 into alpha 4 1 you write. Close the bracket. That is equal to. Okay. Okay, now you see alpha 3 plus alpha 4 means what? Minus b. That means see, shall I write minus b alpha 1? See, alpha 1 square plus 1. Alpha 1 square plus 1. Alpha 1 square plus 1. Minus a alpha 1. Alpha 1 square plus 1 is equal to this you send that side. Minus a alpha 1. That means see minus a alpha 1. These two over alpha 1. Alpha 3 alpha 4 is plus minus b. That means see minus b alpha 1. Minus b alpha 1. Okay. You see plus minus b alpha 1 also you can write. But that is that much we need not go. We know very well. See these are addition subtraction only. Minus I can take common afterwards. Okay. Now go back here. You see here also alpha 2 square plus 1. Alpha 2 square plus 1 gives minus a alpha 2. Minus a alpha 2. These two over. Alpha 2 into alpha 3 plus alpha minus b. Minus b alpha 2. Minus b alpha 2. That is equal to. Okay. Now you see. Observe carefully what I am doing here. See here alpha 1 is common. Or shall I take minus alpha 1 common? Minus alpha 1 if I take common, a plus b will be there. A plus b. If you set inside minus a alpha 1 minus b alpha 1. Minus a alpha 1 minus b alpha 1. Here also again minus alpha 2 you take common. Minus alpha 2 means shall I multiply? Anyway multiplication is there. Shall I put alpha 2 into alpha 2 I have taken common, a plus b again. A plus b. Okay. Now go back. See all are multiplication and a plus b whole square shall I write? Definitely. A plus b whole square into alpha 1 alpha 2. Alpha 1 alpha 2. You see don't forget all are in multiplication. All are in multiplication. Okay. Okay. Now you see a plus b whole square is like this only you keep it. But alpha 1 into alpha 2 was how much? 1. That is equal to a plus b whole square only. Why? Because alpha 1 into alpha 2 value is 1. 1 into something is 1 something. Okay. This is answer for this question. Fourth question. Let us go for fifth. Okay. See fifth question. If p and q are distinct prime numbers and if the equation x square minus px plus q equal to 0 has positive integers as its roots, then the roots of the equation are 4 options they have given. Eamcet 2014 question. First understand the question carefully. See one equation is there. Okay. See these roots are not p and q. First you have to understand. For this roots will be there. Quadratic equation means two roots will be there. Let alpha and beta. Okay. Alpha and beta roots are there. But you see p and q are inside are there. Embedded. P and q. These p and q are distinct prime numbers. Prime numbers means we know. Except that number and 1 are the factors. That's all. Okay. Remaining factors will not be there. 6 may not be the prime number. Why? Because 2 into 3 is there. 6 into 1 is also there. But 3 is a prime number. 3 into 1 is only the factors. That's all. Okay. Okay. See, p and q are the prime numbers. That's all. Roots are not prime numbers. Roots you have to find. Roots of the equation you have to find. But those roots are not prime numbers. Those roots if you apply alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, then this has to be satisfied. Okay. Let us see first. See, once again I am writing this equation. You see, x square minus px plus pq is equal to 0. See, for this, what are the roots? Alpha, beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. See, already minus is there. Minus of minus plus p by 1. That means p only. Okay. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C is q. Q by 1. Q. Okay. That means see p and q values they are asking. P is alpha plus beta. Q is alpha into beta. Okay. Now you go back options. Why? Because we don't have any other option. You have to go one by one. Okay. See, p value should come. See these roots. So if you add one prime number has to come. If you multiply also another prime number has to come. First, when take a at 2 comma 3 implies. Okay. See alpha plus beta. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Let this is p. 5 is a prime number. Definitely 5 is a prime number. 5 into 1 is 5. That's all. Okay. 5 is a prime number. Let us go. Alpha into beta. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 is a prime number? No. Why? Because see 6 into 1 and 2 into 3. Both are going to come. That is why 6 is not a prime number. This option is close. Okay? Understand? Then go for second option. At 1 comma 2 implies. See 1 plus 2. 3. 3 is a prime number? Yes. 3 into 1 only factors. That's all. Alpha into beta. 1 into 2. 2. 2 is a prime number. Definitely 2 is a prime number. Understand the logic? Okay. Now we stop this class. We will continue in the next class. Thank you very much.